Hey guys, we're gonna go through the car wash. You can see how the dogs like to go through the car wash. They like to have a clean car. We just vacuumed it. They're so hairy. I think they're losing their winter coat. So they're like shedding all of their second layer of fur. You like the car wash, Basil? You like the car wash? It's so much fun. Look at all the colors. Yeah, it's so much fun. And Tiffany's nose is healing. Yeah, do you like the car wash? I love you. Say hi to YouTube. Is this your favorite car wash? No, it's Basil's favorite. Is this your favorite car wash? It's so much fun. It's so fun to go through the car wash, Tiffany. It's so fun. We get clean. Yeah, we get clean. We get clean in the car wash. Yeah. And now you'll stress shed. You'll shed more fur after I just vacuumed. We're almost done. We're almost done. Then you can stick your head out. Are you excited to stick your head out? Almost there. Bye, guys. Say goodbye.